Are you looking for that perfect Cabo property between, say, $350,000 and $500,000? Today, we're diving into 3 amazing options, each with their own lifestyle, amenities, and investment potential. We'll tour a fully furnished condo in Miro, a resort-style unit in Vista Velas, and a prime marina location at Paraiso Residences. If you've been dreaming about owning in Cabo, stick around. This might just be your sign. Hey guys, so today we're at Vista Velas III. We're gonna show you guys the value of a 2-bedroom condo in the 3rd phase here. Tons and tons of amenities. I believe this one is even gonna have a view. A lot of the units in phase 3 don't have views because there's another building in front of it. But since this is the end unit, I do believe that we're gonna have a view right over Soriana. Lots of stuff to do in the area. Costco, Soriana, really great area. Let's go check it out. All the parking over here. I believe this unit gets two parking spots. 4th floor. Hola. Buenos dias. After you. Going up? Thank you. Floor 4, please. Thank you. Perfect. We're up here at the unit. This unit is 1403B, and this is a 2-bedroom, fully furnished suite. I haven't seen it yet, so it's a little bit of a surprise. Let's go on in together. We're up here on the 4th floor. I'm really hoping that we get a view in this one. And it's really nice. It is absolutely a beautiful unit. Nicely equipped kitchen. The cabinetry in here is actually quite nice. I believe this is MDF, it is, but it actually feels like it's pretty good quality. They do have some sort of a Caesar stone on the countertop here. Electric stovetop here, little oven. It's compact, it is small, but it's only for 2 people. Be great for rental. It looks like we've got the 1st bedroom over here on the right. It's got a full bathroom, which is open to, it's kind of like a common area bathroom. Come on inside here and we'll take a look at the bedrooms. They're not huge, but lots of light, built-in wall cabinetry, closet. Again, it'd make a great rental Airbnb. Nice lighting. And yeah, I think, like I thought, we have a beautiful view, but let's look at the living room first. It's very spacious. It's perfect for a 2-bedroom unit. Not huge. I really like it. I mean, it's very, very feng shui. You got your laundry in here, hot water on demand. Looks really good. Clean, organized. Let's save the best for last. Here's the master bedroom. It is set up for a TV. This doesn't have a TV, but you got a king-size bed in here and there's still plenty of room. Full ensuite bathroom. Again, it's not huge. For when you're on a vacation, you don't need a lot of space. So I would say that these are really great. You could live here for sure. You'd have to live a little bit more of a minimalistic life. You wouldn't, and when you're living in Cabo, you don't have a lot of clothes anyways. You don't have big, heavy jackets that you need to store. Come on outside here, amazing view. Yes, you've got a building in front of you. Yes, it's not that private. If you look down here, all the pools that you get, you have access to all of these pools. There's 4 pools that I can see. The clubhouse is right here. Man, it's like turnkey. You know, this is a very nice, big, spacious deck. You could probably get a TV out here. What do we got back here? I don't know, that's locked. I presume that's probably something to do with the air conditioners. Now that we're done in Vista Velas 3, we're gonna head over to Paraiso Residences and check that one out. Here we are at Porta Paraiso Mall. Very centrally located, great rental machines. They don't have much for views. This particular unit may have a view, I'm not sure. I think at the price range that we're at, probably doesn't have much of a view. We're right here at Kahe Sushi. You got Forever 21, you've got Intercam Bank, great bank to bank at. And you're right here, right off of the marina. Plenty of cool things to do around here, and we'll see you up there. Here we are, 1104, unit 1104, here in the Paraiso Residences. As you come in here, it's a nice, good-sized kitchen. It's pretty quality. It is MDF, but these are a few years old, and it's still in really great shape. They look really nice. Obviously, you've got the marina right out front here. You've got all the nightclubs. You got all downtown. You do not need a car here. There's plenty of parking too with the underground parking lot, even for electric cars as well. As you can see, it's got a very nice open concept here. These pocket doors just open right up. This is a 1-bedroom unit, but you could also do a Murphy bed or something out here. You got your bathroom here. It's actually got 2 bathrooms. Here's your master bedroom. You have a very nice, well-decorated place, king-size bed, lots of room in here. Again, that's out to the courtyard. Got your ensuite bathroom. And this particular place actually has a really cool rooftop terrace. Let's take you on up here. Got to get your leg exercise on here. They've got all of their cushions for they're obviously not here right now. I don't know if they are even using this for a rental. Have to check it out. It's a really nice unit. If it's not a rental, it could be a turnkey rental. And they don't have any amenities yet, but there's plans for a very beautiful clubhouse with a pool. It's been a few years in the making. I do believe they're gonna deliver that. So here we're at Miro today. This is a property that's listed in the $350,000 price range. It is a 2-bedroom condo that just has everything, a beautiful view, and it's fantastic turnkey. Let's go check it out. Okay, this is, as soon as you enter this place, it's absolutely beautiful. This is MDF wood, but it actually looks really good. It's inexpensive. It's not a very expensive condo. You've got granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Everything is here. You've got dishwasher, stove, microwave. You got plenty of bar seating here. It's a really, it's just got this expansive view. It's nice furniture. It needs some decor. Come out here and check out the view. This is what you see as soon as you get in here. You've got the beautiful pool area down here. You've got some shaded seating area. Really tranquil feeling here. You got lots of birds chirping and it just feels amazing. Let's take you guys through the rest of the building. Sorry, the rest of the unit. It's got nice Mirage air conditioning units. You've got plenty of storage back here. There is a washer and dryer stackable. You've got your powder room here. It's actually a full bathroom with a shower. This is the secondary bedroom here, so it doesn't have a master ensuite, but it's got the powder room just off of the bedroom. The nice thing about this place is both bedrooms have balconies out to that beautiful view. And that is an ocean view out there. Way in the distance, you got these breezes that just come right up through here, and it's just so refreshing and invigorating. And as you can see, this one's set up with storm shutters. So, it just protects your investment in storm season. Nice cabinetry, built-in closets. Let's go over here to the master bedroom. Again, a very large room. This is a king-size bed, so there is plenty of extra space in here. Really nice little ensuite bathroom here with plenty of storage from the floor to the ceiling. As you can see, the ceiling, the cabinets go right up to the ceiling here. Really nice, lots of storage. And again, you have a really nice balcony here, private. I mean, what more could you want for $350,000? There you have it. 3 properties in the $350,000 to $500,000 range, each offering a different slice of paradise. Whether you're looking for a modern living in Quivira, resort-style amenities at Vista Velas, or marina front luxury at Paraiso Residences, there's an option here for you. If you want a full private tour, more pricing breakdowns, or rental potential info, just DM us or check the links below. And don't forget, Cabo Real Estate is moving fast, especially at this price range. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss our next video where we show you even more hidden gems and investment opportunities here in Los Cabos, Mexico.